Yo, parents! Welcome to COP, Child Online Protection by Batu, the smartest parental control app that makes the web safe for your mid-school kids. Okay, quick setup time. Grab your kid's phone and let's get you started in under 2 minutes. From your phone, you can sign in by entering your email or using Google Sign Up, which is much easier and faster. This is your control hub, where all the magic happens. You'll get a subscription ID. Think of it like your secret passcode to connect your phone with your kid's phone. Install the COP Child app on your kiddo's phone. Scan the QR. Complete your child app setup and hit continue. Play Store link opens. Easy peasy. Open the child app and enter that subscription ID. Lost the code? Chill. It's also in your email. Permissions time. Allow them all. That's how you'll block shady apps, limit screen time, get real-time alerts. You can check what these permissions are for and how COP is going to use them. Don't worry, your child's data will be safe, and only you will be able to access it. Also, you can remove the permissions anytime. And boom! Setup done. Now the child app can sleep in the background. You handle everything from your parent app. Congrats, fam! You're now the boss. Set screen limits. Set sleep time, block apps, block websites, track location, monitor content, and do a lot more, all in one app, all in your control.